Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavati Ammal, Assistant Professor, CSC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. First year MCA, second semester, the subject code is MC4204 and subject title is Mobile Application Development. Unit 1, Infrastructure and Managing Resources. Android means an open platform for mobile development. Most recently, Android has expanded beyond a pure mobile phone platform to provide a development platform for an increasingly wide range of hardware, including tablets and televisions. Put simply, Android is an ecosystem made up of a combination of three components that are a free open operating system for embedded devices, an open source development platform for creating applications and devices. Then what does Android run on? The first Android mobile handset, the T-Mobile G1, was released in the United States in October 2008. And Android is created to support variety of platform and applications. Then why develop for Android? Android represents a clean break, a mobile framework based on the reality of modern mobile devices designed by developers for developers. Then the barrier to entry for a new Android developers is minimal. There is no certification is required to become an Android developer. Google Play provides free upfront purchase and app billing options for distribution and monetization of your applications. There is no approval process for application distribution. Then developers have total control over their brand. Then Android contains the open source, larger developer and community reach, then increased marketing and inter-app integration, then reduced cost of development, then higher success ratio, then rich development environment. Then what Android has that other platforms don't have? Android have Google Map applications, then background services and applications, then shared data and inter-process communication. All applications are created equal. Then Wi-Fi Direct and Android Beam. Then introducing the development framework. Android applications normally written in using Java as the programming language but executed by means of a custom VM called that is Dalvik rather than traditional Java VM. Each Android application runs in a separate process within its own Dalvik instance, relinquishing all responsibility for memory and process management to the Android runtime, which stops and kills process as necessary to manage resources. Then what comes in the box? Android APIs, then development tools, the Android virtual device manager and emulator, then full documentation, then sample code, then online support. The understanding the Android software stack. The Android software stack is put simply a Linux kernel and a collection of C++ libraries exposed through an application framework that provides service for and management of the runtime and applications. Then Dalvik Virtual Machine. The Dalvik Virtual Machine, that is DVM, is an Android virtual machine optimized for mobile devices. It optimizes the virtual machine for memory, then battery life and performance. Then Dalvik is name of town in Iceland. Then Dalvik Virtual Machine was written by Dan Bornstein. The DEX compiler converts the class files into the .dx, that is DEX file that run on the Dalvik virtual machine. Then multiple class files are converted into DEX file. Let's see the compiling and packaging process from the source file. Then managing resources. A mobile device is specialized piece of hardware. It has several different types of resources that may require special monitoring and management activities that require scalable yet uniform designs. Android resources are basically files or external data supporting our app's operation. These files can be images, strings, colors, styles, etc. Kinds of resources for Android app development, that is animation resources, color state list resources, drawable resources, layout resources, menu resources, string resources, and style resources. Thank you.